In today's video, we're checking out the best motorcycle helmet cameras to capture all your rides in stunning detail. Whether you're vlogging your journeys or just want extra safety footage, these cameras offer high-quality video, durability, and ease of use. We'll review the top models, their features, and what makes each one stand out. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to record your adventures on the road, let's get started. Number 5. Drift Ghost XL Pro 4K Plus HD Sports Action Camera. If you're in the market for a high-performance action camera that can keep up with your adrenaline-fueled adventures, look no further than the Drift Ghost XL Pro 4K Plus HD Sports Action Camera. The Drift Ghost XL Pro combines the acclaimed bullet form factor of its predecessor, the Ghost XL, with cutting-edge 4K resolution capabilities. This action camera ticks all the boxes on your wish list, including crystal clear image quality. With 4K UHD mode, you can enjoy a cinematic experience that brings your adventures to life. Sleek bullet profile. The camera retains the stealth matte black finish and rotating lens that Drift is known for, making it as stylish as it is functional. Number 4. Fodsports FX30C Pro Camera. The Fodsports FX30C Pro is a feature-packed motorcycle helmet accessory that combines a Bluetooth headset, intercom system, and HD video camera into one device. It's designed to enhance the riding experience with multimedia capabilities and clear communication, making it an ideal choice for motorcyclists who want both safety and entertainment. The FX30C Pro comes with a built-in 1080p HD video recorder, allowing riders to capture their journey in high resolution. It can record at 30 frames per second, FPS, providing smooth and clear video footage. The 120-degree wide-angle lens covers a large field of view, and with 360 degrees rotation capability, it allows for flexible shooting angles. Number 3. Gearelec S3 Plus Camera. The Gearelec S3 Plus is a high-performance motorcycle helmet intercom system with a 2K HD camera that integrates communication, multimedia, and safety features into one convenient device. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.1, a 6-rider intercom, and a versatile camera, it enhances the riding experience for motorcyclists who prioritize connectivity, clear communication, and high-quality video documentation. Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.1 technology. The S3 Plus uses the latest Qualcomm 5.1 Bluetooth chip, which offers lower power consumption and better sound quality compared to the 5.0 version. It supports stable connections and allows high-quality music sharing between two S3 Plus units. The ability to turn on/off automatic call answering ensures a customizable, hands-free experience. 2K HD camera for high-resolution recording. The built-in camera records at 2K resolution. Number 2. FreedConn R3 Motorcycle Helmet Camera. The FreedConn R3 Pro is a multifunctional motorcycle helmet camera that combines a high-resolution video recorder, Bluetooth intercom system, and helmet headset into one compact device. With features such as 1440p video recording, group intercom capabilities, and advanced noise control, it aims to provide riders with a safer and more enjoyable riding experience. Here's a closer look at what the FreedConn R3 Pro has to offer. The FreedConn R3 Pro captures video at 1440p resolution, delivering crisp and detailed footage. The 140-degree wide-angle lens ensures that the camera covers a broad field of view, making it suitable for recording the road ahead, traffic conditions, or scenic rides. Additionally, the device supports loop video recording and features intelligent anti-shake technology for stable, smooth videos. The R3 Pro includes built-in Wi-Fi, allowing for seamless connection with a mobile app. Through the app, users can view live video footage, manage recordings, and adjust settings directly from their smartphone. Number 1. Insta360 GO 3 64GB. The Insta360 GO 3 is a mini action camera designed to bring convenience and creativity to content creators, vloggers, and adventurers. With its lightweight design, 2.7K video capture, versatile mounting options, and smart features, the GO 3 makes it easy to film from unique perspectives and capture stable footage hands-free. Ultra-lightweight and compact design. Weighing only 35 grams, the Insta360 GO 3 is one of the smallest and lightest action cameras on the market. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe.